Hello everyone, welcome back to Gurully's channel. If you're planning to book the PTE exam, there's an important new change you need to know about before booking. Pearson has introduced an ID scanning step during the booking process. So, in this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step walkthrough on how to book your exam, including this new verification process, so you don't face any issues while booking. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official PTE website. Here on the upper right corner, click on Book a Test. It will ask you where do you want to go with PTE. I'm going to select Australia. You can select the country you are planning to go. Then click on the next step. Then it will ask you which purpose are you going for. Select your option and click on the next button. This will automatically select the right test for you. Click on the book test option and it will take you to select your test center. Search your location where you are currently residing or from where you are planning to take the test. Here, if you scroll down, you will see multiple options, multiple test centers that are available for this location. I'm going to select this location. Then click on this button to see which dates are available. I'm selecting 5th of June and then I'm selecting the time. Click on the book button. Here it will ask you to review. If everything is good to go, click on the sign in or create a full profile button, or else you can always change the test center or change the appointment. Here, in case you already have an account made, just click on the login button or else create a My PTE account. I'm going to create my PTE account. And here mention all the details. Select the country of your residence and then click on the continue button. It will ask you to verify your email. So check your mailbox for the OTP. Once this is done, it will tell you to confirm your identity. Now, this is the new step that the Pearson has introduced that I was talking about. Here, you have to take a photo of your ID. Please read all of these details very carefully. You should have a valid passport, which will act as a identification proof on your test day. There are two options here. You have to take your photo or you can enter your details manually. But Pearson has made it compulsory for you to scan your ID before going on the test day. So I will quickly show you the process of how to do this. Click on the take a photo of my ID. Here it will ask you to scan the QR code with your smartphone camera or continue with your computer. You can select continue with the computer, but make sure you have a working webcam, or you can just scan the QR code from your mobile. You will see this on your mobile screen. You just have to place your passport here and then click the button. It will automatically fetch the details. Once the scan is done on your phone, it will take you to contact details and special arrangements. Mention your phone number here. And your home address. Click on save and continue for the booking. Check your details here and then click on OK. These are the steps that are required before making the payment. And then read the PTE policy. Make sure that you read all the important information so that you don't miss out on anything. Click on agree and proceed. Here it will ask you to check if everything is correct. If you've checked your details and everything is good to go, click on the next button. Again, check the details here. See if there are any additional things that you would like to add on to the cart. You have multiple options here. If not, just click on this and click on checkout. You will have 30 minutes to complete your booking process. Here you have an option of putting your voucher. Now voucher is basically a PTE voucher which gives you additional discount. That means you don't have to pay the full price. Here you can see it's 18,900. With the voucher you can book the PTE in a lesser amount. Let me show you how. We'll go to the Gurully website. Here you can see vouchers. Click on the PTE voucher page. Here you can see that you are getting the PTE voucher for 17,500, which is a 1,400 discount from the existing price. So to book the voucher, just fill in your details quickly. One very important point to note is that these vouchers are only available for the Indian students. So if you're trying to take this voucher for any other country, it won't be applicable. Once you've filled in the details, click on the Buy Now button and click on the Pay Now option. Here there are multiple options to choose from. You can either select UPI or you can do net banking or you can even pay with cards. Once you've received the voucher code on your email, just copy it and paste it here. It will be a 12-digit code that you paste here and then click on apply. You have applied. As you can see here, the total amount INR becomes 0, which means you don't have to pay anything extra for the PTE booking. And that's it. It is very simple to book your PTE exam. Just make sure that you are scanning your passport correctly and mentioning all the details as per your passport, because a lot of time it happens that the details don't match your passport and then you are not allowed to sit on the test day. That's all from us today. In case you have any other questions or you have any queries, you can always contact our customer support team or reach out to us on YouTube, Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you so much and all the best for your exam.